Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix fltmgr.sys blue screen error on Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Click on Start and search CMD. Now right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Now here guys you have to type this command line sfc space / scan now. Then press enter. Guys, this will take a couple of minutes, so complete this scanning, and once this complete, close it and restart your system. Hopefully after restart you will fix and you will resolve this problem. Thanks for watching.